Hi guys, what's up? Today, magkakaroon tayo ng aking curtain. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna have... Hey, what's up guys? Today, I will have... Hi guys, what's up? Today... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna have... Or I'm gonna show you my... Today, magkakaroon tayo ng review. Very quick review lang to. And this is the iWhite Korea for purifying balm. Ito siya. Very accommodating bili ng iWhite eh. So, most probably sa lahat makikita nyo na to. This will cost you 16 pesos, I think. And, yun. So, basahin natin siya. It is great partner product with iWhite Nose Pack and Whitening Pack. Help remove stubborn pore clogging like oils, dirt, and toxins. Ang direction for use niya, guys, is that when used with nose pack or whitening pack, on the cleansed face, katulad ng mukha ko ngayon, malinis yan, apply a generous amount on the T-zone or on the areas with enlarged pores and deep-seated dirt. Leave it for about 1 minute, then start massaging it in a circular motion for another 1 minute. Wipe the clean off completely and with clean tissue, then apply the nose pack or the whitening pack. Yun lang ang sabi dito. Basically, nose area and this cheek area at saka ito kasi maraming whiteheads dyan. So, let's try this side with this, ito, and this side nang wala. Sabi sa kanya, it will help loosen up and absorb the stubborn pore clogging like oil, dirt, and toxins. So, most probably, mas marami siyang pagkatapos nyo nito at nagawa nyo na to, mas maraming makukuha yung nose pack. So, hindi ko sure kung particular to sa brand, pero I'm gonna use the same thing kasi most probably, most of us use this one kasi it's very attainable to buy. Ilagay daw muna. Oh. Medyo mainit-init siya. Mainit siya sa pakiramdam, guys. As in, super init na sa pakiramdam. Be generous daw. So, damihan natin. For about a minute daw tayo mag-aantay. So, let's just wait for this. And then, afterwards daw, i-rub in nyo siya for another 1 minute. Kakaibang feeling, actually. Kasi first time ko magkaroon ng product na mainit sa mukha. So, medyo pumupunta siya dun sa pores, in all fairness. Ayan o. Nagsisip in siya dun sa pores. It's about 1 minute, guys, and then we're gonna rub it off. Or, parang imamassage natin siya on a circular motion daw. Para, dito lang sa side na to, kasi yan lang yung nilagyan ko. For 1 minute din. So, it's been 1 minute and then we're gonna wipe it off. Wala naman sinabi dito na pagkagamit nyo sa kanya, i-wash nyo bago kayo gumamit ng nose pack. Pero kung ito lang daw ang gagamitin nyo, just wipe it off and then cleanse it with water. Pero ito walang sinabi. So, i-cleanse lang natin siya ng antayin lang natin na matayo and then i-peel off na natin. Which is I'm so excited about kung talagang effective siya as a balm na mag-extra tulong para makalis ng whiteheads at blackheads. So let's see. So dapat okay na ako. Guys, sa pakiramdam, medyo mas stiff to kaysa dito sa wala. As in, masakit siya. In fairness, masakit siya. Compare dito sa side na to. Wow! Guys, I'm telling you, the balm really works. Kasi sobrang dami ng side na to natanggal compare sa dito kong side. It's amazing. Siguro mga around 50% yung dinami ng side na to, dito sa side na to, ang dami. Nung inaalis ko siya, guys, mas stiff tong side na to compare dito. So, ibig sabihin, mas makapit yung nose pack dito sa side na to kaysa dito. As you can see, oh, pulang-pula siya. As in, pulang-pula siya. Makikita niyo sa kutis ko kung gaano kasakit yung tinanggal ko at yung inalis ko sa mukha ko. Hindi ko lang sure kung mag-work siya with other nose pack products. Pero I'm sure of na with the nose product na meron ang eye white, it will absolutely work. Kasi ang ganda. Na-doble niya yung effect ng product. I would totally suggest you guys to go ahead and try it out kasi very effective siya. Meron pa siya, siguro mga 2 beses nyo pa itong gagamitin. Comment kayo guys sa ating comment bars kung na-experience nyo na itong pore purifying balm na to. Kung meron din kayo masasabing experience sa kanya, go ahead and comment sa ating comment bars. And basically, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please do give it a big thumbs up. And also, kung hindi pa kayo nagsusubscribe sa channel ko, hit the subscribe button and be part of our family. And of course, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'll be linking that sa description box. And also, yung aking eye white review na lang. Ilalagay ko dito para you can go ahead and check it out. Kasi nireview ko yung whole product line nila. So, go ahead and check it out. It's in, dito pala, paulit-ulit ako, it's in the eye right here. I-click nyo lang yan, and then it will go directly sa aking eye white product review. Guys, that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to subscribe, and always be happy, guys. Have a great day and happy day too. Advance Merry Christmas! Bye! Bye!
Bye!
Bye!